Good morning to all of you. First of all, I introduce myself. My name is Sathish, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today my seminar topic is web technologies. Web technologies, it's a vast content, but I am taking one of the small content in the web technologies. It's called as a websites. Before we go to website topic, what is the purpose of websites? Why are you using websites? Lot of questions rise. Nowadays, we are going for anything. If you want to search anything or if you want to order anything, you can go for a websites only. Including as a real-time example, 90s or 80s kids only knows our rations of problems. Okay, nowadays we can access everything from the internet as a websites. Okay, now we go for what is the purpose of websites. Sharing information to all over the world. Compared with the social medias, because nowadays some of them doing lot of businesses, how to sell their product, how to promote their business. Okay, this is one of the biggest tool to promote your website, promote your products. Okay, sharing information to all over the world. Compared with the other social medias, website it's a biggest tool to promote your products. Next one is official information. Most of the government sectors, they are publishing their information through the websites only, not a WhatsApp and other contents, because of they blame some us. Okay, as a real time, same as an example, on coming Monday our college will start. Okay, we can post a reopening date in website. Students cannot blame us. Okay, if mostly we can share the information through the WhatsApp. Students will blame, we don't know the information, how to do the payments. Okay, all the information we can post the internet or in your websites, they cannot blame us how to do payment, then other things, everything. Okay, gathering information. What is mean by gathering information? Gathering information means same as nowadays we can search all the content from the internet. For how Google get the exact information from the internet. Okay, one is online database. Online database is based on the user reviews or user views. Okay, these are the two concepts. One is user reviews and another one is user views. And next one is web scraping. Web scraping means it collect the exact information from the website. It's called as a web scraping. And another one is social media. Most of the people are sharing some of the content. So Google can collect the data from the social media also. After that only it displays all the information to the user. It's called as a gathering information. Then we go for our topic. What is websites? Websites, it's a collection of web pages to display to all the information to the users. Then collection of web pages. Then next question is, what is web pages? Web pages is a single document. It contains text, images, videos and other multimedia content. It's called as a web pages. Okay. Then next is, what is the type of websites? Types of websites, it's a static website, dynamic website and another final one is responsive website. What is mean by static website? Static website means content cannot change at any moment or any users or any visitors at any time. It's called as a static website. For example, our university.edu. Okay, this website cannot change at every users or every visit. Okay, maybe it will be changed according to the results or some other important contents. The next one is dynamic websites. What is mean by dynamic websites? It can change the information for every user's visitor time and visits. Okay, it means, for example, Cricinfo. If I am seeing Cricinfo means it's a sports website, we can see the scores, real-time updates. Okay, if I am seeing some of the scores, some other you can visit, some other it displays different information to every users. It's called as a dynamic website. Responsive websites. Responsive websites means all the web pages. Before that I told you website means it's a collection of web pages, but in the responsive website all the web pages connected within a single page. It's called as a responsive website. What is the advantage and disadvantages of static and dynamic websites? Static website contents cannot change, but we can build easily, we can implement easily. But dynamic website it has a database, so it cannot implement easily, but its maintenance cost is too high compared with the other websites. Responsive website is we can build easily, implement easily, okay, cost and maintenance also too easy. How website works? When a user enters a website address URL in your browser send a request to the server, then server sends back to the client or your mobile. Okay, it's called as a round trip. This is how website works. Do you understand? Okay, when a user enters a website address in your mobile or any devices or PC or tab, any devices you can access through the mobile browser. Mobile browser sends a request to the server using the HTTP protocols. Then server sends back to the reply to the browsers. It's called as a how website works. What is web server? What is client? Client is a normal machine. Okay, server it means server is a customized machines. It cannot normally if our computer, if you buy a computer, almost it has a one CPU, one RAM, maximum of 2 RAM slots. This is the only client computers. But customized servers or web server means it's a customized system. Customized system means it has more than 5 or 10 processors. Depends upon your requirement, we can build the web servers. Only one company, IBM, it's International Business Machines. They are creating the customized machines. It's called as how website works. What is the uses of website? First thing is make money. How to make money from the website? Nowadays, world's richest person, Jeff Bezos, Amazon, they have only one website, Amazon only. He is the richest person in the world. Next one, Facebook, Zerodha. Okay, Zerodha is an Indian man. He started a year of 2010 at the age of 14, Zerodha.com. Now he is the current value of the market value is 4,000 crores as per Wikipedia. Okay, this is how to make a money from websites. Okay, apart from some of the businessmen, lot of people in Madan Gauri, then village cooking channels, they are earning money from the websites. Then next one is branding. How to brand a product. This is the biggest task to most of the companies. Okay. Nowadays, we are seeing lot of advertisements in our TV channels. Most of the advertisements we are not seeing, we are not hearing daily audio offers. Pothis or Saranasos, they are offering lot of orders. But some of the websites only, it will touch our heart. It's also branding. Okay. These advertisements, only they are maximum of 5 seconds. They are displaying the content. Raymond, the complete man. For example, I asked some of the persons and my son asked me, what is this? Only they are advertising 5 seconds only. Raymond, the complete man. If you want to any information, you can select the websites. Okay. My son asked, what is this? I am telling about this is a Raymond. It's a shirts, trousers and other things, everything they are producing a very good quality. Okay. I am telling to my son, what is this the product? Okay. This is called as a branding. Then another one brand is Rolex. If anyone seeing Rolex advertisement in our TV channels? No. Because they know their product value. How to market their product value. Where to sell the product. Okay. This is the main thing is how to means advertise our product. It's called as a branding. Okay. Mostly Rolex, they are sponsoring highest value sports persons. First thing. Then highest value of sports. that kind of sports only they are sponsoring. Example, tennis, mostly Wimbledon, because it's the costliest game. Next thing is golf. We don't have enough space in Tamil Nadu to play a golf. And another one is F1, Formula 1 racing. It's a biggest money selling or money product. So Rolex, they can sponsor these kinds of sports only. Okay, not for a cricket and football. Lot of sports are available, but Rolex, they are branding or advertising only in the rich kind of sports. Then you know everything, entertainment, we are playing games, connecting people, Facebooks, marketing, matrimonial websites. If you need anything, you can get it from the matrimonial websites, magazines and news. Okay, these are all the uses of websites. Then next thing is, what is domain name? We go for a civil department. If last two or I saw your presentations, if we need a home or anything, first of all, what we need to, how to build a home? What are all the need? First one is address and next one is space. Okay. After that only we can build a home or anything. Okay. Then what is domain name? Domain name is a unique. It's a unique means you cannot create same to another one. Human readable address and access the websites. First one is HTTPS. It's a example for the domain name. First one is HTTPS. HTTPS, it denotes as a protocol to transfer information from one place to another place. Okay. Then next one is subdomain. I will tell you later. Then next one is domain name. WIX. It's the only the domain. Next one is .com. .com means it denotes a lot of informations. Normally called as a extension. Otherwise another name is TLD, top level domain name. So .com, it means it's a commercial purpose. .net, we have lot of options in after extensions. Okay, .net means it's a network related companies. .edu, it's a education related companies. Okay, these are all the extensions for the domain names. So this is the what is domain name. This is the domain pricing. Depends upon our requirements, we can select a domain. If I want to .in or .com or .in, everything here available. As a customized domain also available. It means TLD, top level domain. It's a, if in case Rajkumar, maybe Rajkum.ar, it's available. Okay, these are all the customized domain name. .com, why is too much of expense compared with the other one? Okay, .com is too much of expensive compared with the other one. It's a customized domain. So compared with the others, .com is too expensive because of most of the users, they are preferring only a .com websites. In all over the world, they are 52.8% of people are creating .com domain. So demand increase, automatically price also increases. How to create a website? Before that, what kind of website you create? What is the use of websites? Everything is studied, but how to create a website? Before we create a website, what is the purpose of website you try to create? Okay, if I am doing any business, I want to create a business website. So first, if you create a website, you can create a site path. Okay, then after that, what are the contents you need? Every contents you can prepare yourself. After that, you can go for a website creation. Mostly business websites contains about us pages. Okay, they are telling about the history of the what is company, when I started the company, what are the clients, most of the clients what are saying. These are the about us pages. Next one is what are they doing? Products pages. Then now next one is how they are servicing to others, services pages. Then future enhancements, what next 5 years I will do. Okay, these are all the contents to create a website. So you can prepare yourself. After that, you can create a website. First one is own creation. If I have a depth knowledge in CSS, HTML, PHP, ASP.NET or some other languages, I can create my own websites. Okay, otherwise I don't have enough knowledge in computer, I can download from the templates. Lot of templates are available in our current world. Okay, you can download from the templates, then you can modify for your personal use, then it can be implemented to internet. Then AI tools, nowadays AI tools creating lot of works, so you can create a website also using AI tools. Then final one is website copier. Once upon a time I worked in a software company. Some of the people come to, I want to some websites, some business websites, I want the same as Infosys websites. Okay, Infosys is a technical legends. They are creating with a lot of people. But some of the clients asking, I need a website from the Infosys. Then what can we do? I am not able to create that website. Then I will try to copy from the Infosys. Okay, copyright issue, it's we can change the content. Okay, nobody will blame that. So we can copy the website from the Infosys or some other companies. Okay, one of the best website copy tool is HTTrack. You can download it from the internet. You can copy any websites. Okay, these are the website copier. Then web hosting. We created a website, we bought a domain. Okay, now we go to web hosting. We can implement the websites through the internet. Okay, this is called as a web hosting. First one is domain registration completed. Choose a better hosting provider. Okay, the next one is storage. How much storage they are allotting for me. Okay, then bandwidth. Bandwidth means transfer rate to one place to another place. Maximum 1 MB, 2 MB they are providing bandwidth. Security features. What are the security features are available in the hosting? Okay, you can consider these points. After that you can buy a better web hosting. These are all the price for web hosting. Okay, normally 89 per month, 2019 per month. What's your requirement? Based on these are all the requirements or specifications I mentioned here. Whatever you want, you can choose it. We can develop the website, then implemented a website in a web server. After that, we can go for a testing a website. What is meant by testing a website? It's a platform testing. Platform testing means we can test a website in a multiple platforms because of most of the Indian users only using Windows. Apart from India, most of the users they are using Linux. Okay, so we can test a website in some other web platforms. Okay, Linux, Ubuntu, it means lot of OSs are available. Then we can test a website in a platform. Compatibility of devices. Compatibility of devices means some of them using PC with a 14-inch monitor, some of them using 18-inch, some of them using a 42. Okay, your website can fit all the devices. Some of them using a mobile also. So your website content can clearly displays to all the devices. It's called as a compatibility of devices. Next one is performance testing. Performance testing means I realize a lot of problems in the performance testing. Non-university published results each and every semesters. Lot of people calling, sir, what about results? Kindly send me to me. Okay, at the time of 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 o'clock I will get the results because of a non-university performance. Okay, after that I will send to all the users. Okay, this is the performance testing. Performance testing. What is the performance testing means? If I am a software engineer, I develop a website. After that I can test a website with the lot of requests, more than 1 lakh or 2 lakh. How website responds to our request? This is the performance testing. Maybe another did a job or I don't know. Okay, mostly 1000 to 10,000 requests we can give and test the websites. Okay, this is the performance testing. I tested our college websites, PGP-CET.ac.in. Okay, its a loading time is 3.7 seconds. Then its a storage space is only 13.1 MB. Okay, request per day, 93 requests transfer from the server to client. Total page size is 13 MB, image only 12 MB. Then next one is images 52%, JavaScript only 25%, CSS 15%, remaining some other contents. Okay, this is the report of the performance testing. Yep. Okay, how to block a website? Why I am showing this image? Because of mostly wireless communications. It covers here. Sir know everything because wireless communication last 2 days before he took a seminar. Mostly wireless communications covers here 1.5 kilometers. It's the maximum range. Cell phone towers covers only a 1.5 kilometers only. Apart from cell phone towers, maximum Wi-Fi or some other devices 10 to 100 meters only. This is the wireless communications. Okay, this is the wired communication. Each and every country connected with the optical fiber communications. Okay, internet works with the optical fiber communications only, not a wireless. Okay, after each and every country, this is, I think this is India. Okay, gateway of India. What is the gateway of India? It's a Mumbai. Same thing, internet gateway also Mumbai. How to block a website? I don't blame students because of they are doing some mistakes. Okay, we try to think how to stop the mistakes. Okay, for example, don't use mobile in classrooms. Okay, we don't blame students, but nowadays we are sending all the materials through the WhatsApp or everything. Then we are same example, we don't use mobiles in the classroom. Okay, but we try to implement some of the jammers. After that, he don't use the mobile phone. Okay, we don't blame the students because he is paying money. We try to correct ourselves. So same thing. If internet enters in the Mumbai, okay, this is the entry point of the India. Why I am telling this example? If internet enters the India, after that I cannot restrict the websites. So in the entry point, I restrict all the websites, unknown websites or some other websites. Okay, it's not possible to surf from the India. Okay, same. How can I do? It's possible. Is it possible or not? Blocking website it's possible, sir? Okay, it's not possible because of in the computer world, maximum we can restrict from the for example, some of the attacks occurred in the India-Pakistan war. Okay, we are blocking from Pakistan websites. They immediately switch over to another servers. It's located in the US. How can we block it? So blocking, it's not possible. We can tell some suggestions only for media purpose. Okay, this is the wired communications. How to block a website? Design routers based on the country. Mostly we can restrict a website from the routers only. As a CCIE. Okay, what is mean by CCIE? Cisco Certified Internet Network Expert. Okay, it's the one of the costliest exam in India. Only around the world, 19,000 people are here. Okay, because of they are doing the jobs. The CCIE engineers only, they are blocked all the website from the some other countries. The next one is firewall. It's a software. You can block a website from in your particular system. Then according to software freedom law, around 15,000 websites are blocked. What are the drawbacks in website? First one is misinformation. Misinformation means in case of any information we passed wrongly, it will be passed all the world. Okay, cost of development. Cost of development means you can pay the some of the amount to develop a website in a software companies. Natural disasters, maintenance and security. Natural disasters means each and everything we are suffering from the Anna University. Last 2 years before, Chennai floods affected the lot of areas, including Chennai Anna University. Chennai Anna University server shutdowns more than 3 to 4 days. So we cannot do anything for the disaster. So these are the main drawbacks. One of the biggest problem in a website or anything in a computer field is security. In 1984, they are created a RSA algorithm. Still now we are using only RSA algorithm. So no more algorithms, we did not create it. Okay, this is the main thing. Then real-time example of the security means in 2018, UIDAI chairman, they challenged to the world. You can hack the Aadhaar database. They entered the Aadhaar number in the Instagram. They enter the Aadhaar in the Instagram. If possible, you can hack it the Indian database because it's a highly securable. Within 2 hours, they deposited 1 rupee in the UIDA chairman account because of we connected everything with the Aadhaar number, PAN, bank account, all the informations they published in the Twitter. Okay, so lot of people told high level security in our systems, it cannot be break databases. It's not possible in the computer world. Each and everyone can easily hack the websites or everything, do that. It's a demo website. I told what is a subdomain. It's a Sathish Krishnan, it's a subdomain. For a real example, PGP-CET.ac.in, it's available. If mechanical department or some other departments, they are conducting international conference. So they can implement mech.pgp-cet.ac.in, it's available. Okay, it's called as a subdomain. Now I create a demo website for implemented in a web server. Okay, sathishkrishnan7.wix.com is a, you can also access through the mobile. Okay, just I created with the templates only, so we don't have a. Okay, these are all my website for demo purpose. It automatically deleted within 3 months. For education purpose, they are providing. Okay. Conclusion. In digital world, if you want to promote your business, select a very good website and very good domain for your success.